welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. If you are just stopping by for the first time, thank you very much for coming. In this platform, I share healthy recipes on how to lose weight, how to take good care of your skin, how to make delicious meals, and lots more. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a simple home remedy on how to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. This remedy will help you to get rid of wrinkles and help you in aging in reverse. If you are up to 60 and you want to look like 40, this recipe is for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first ingredient that I'm going to be needing is boiled white rice. As we age, our skin tends to lose its elasticity. Boiled white rice helps in boosting collagen in the skin, which will keep your skin supple and helps prevent wrinkling. I'll be using just some 4 tablespoons of boiled white rice and we'll be adding that to our blender. It also contains anti-aging property and also antioxidants, which is very good for our skin. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is orange peels. Now, orange peels have high amounts of citric acid, which helps in exfoliating the skin. It also helps in getting rid of acne, improve the overall look of your skin. Orange peels has a higher content of vitamin C that is very good for your skin. So grinding a little bit of orange peels and adding it to your mask will help you in getting rid of acne and give you that supple skin. I'll be adding just a teaspoon of orange peel for this recipe. Our next ingredient is rose water. Rose water is the perfect balancing treatment for skin as it corrects pH to a natural level and also prevents skin from getting too oily or too dried. I'll be using just 2 teaspoons of rose water for this recipe, and I'll be adding it to the rice and our orange peels. Our next ingredient is going to be milk. I'll be using dietary milk for this recipe. Milk as a whole contains lactic acid, and lactic acid is especially popular in anti-aging facial cleanser, which helps in removing dead skin cells and stimulates new cell growth. Milk also contains retinol that is known to help in anti-aging and also skin restoring antioxidants. Plus, milk contains vitamin D, which is very good. It also has anti-inflammatory and also it helps in protecting the skin. I'll be adding just 4 teaspoons of milk and we'll be blending that very well. You want to blend to a very smooth paste. So here we have our paste after blending, and I'll be transferring it to our mixing bowl. Our next ingredient is avocado oil. I'll be using just a teaspoon of avocado oil for this recipe. Avocado oil contains high amounts of vitamin C as well as potassium, which helps in nourishing and moisturizing the skin. It also helps in promoting collagen production, which is very good for the skin. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is honey. Honey contains antibacterial and antiseptic property, which is very good for oily and also dried skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps to keep the skin moist but not oily. I'll be adding just a teaspoon of honey, and you want to mix that very well. If you feel the max is too thick, you can as well add some milk or some rose water to the consistency that you like. So I'm going to be transferring a little to my storing jar, and I will be storing that in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Okay, you have to store this in the refrigerator for up to 3 days Thereafter, you make another one. So guys, here we have the mask and I'll be applying it on my face. You can choose to apply this mask on the area where you are affected the most, where you have wrinkles, where you have those fine lines. You can choose to apply this mask on that area. And if you want to apply it, you'll be applying it on a circular motion. And before applying this mask, you make sure to wash your face with warm water so that your pores will be opened in order for this mask to penetrate inside your pores and work extremely very well. Okay, I'll be using my hands to apply it. I'll be applying it all over my face together with my neck, but you can choose to concentrate on the areas where you have the problems. Okay. I want to sincerely appreciate all that I've watched in this instance, and I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my content. Applying this mask on your face for up to 3 times in a week will really help you in getting rid and also diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the end of the video at the end screen. You can click on any of them to check on the content. So guys, after application, I will leave it to sit on my face for up to 30 minutes so that everything will penetrate inside my pores and work very well. You have to be using this mask consistently. If you want this mask to work well for you, at least 3 to 4 times in a week will be very good for you to get the best result. So now guys, you know how to come up with this amazing recipe that will help you to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Bye.